I'm going to the beer garden. So that's and I plan on staying there.
So it's fantastic here in Ireland. Really wanted to enjoy such weather, and finally in Dunleary being able to enjoy sunshine, it's really perfect. I noticed myself personally when the weather is not that much shiny, when it's windy and dark, I feel more sad, to be honest, but right now I feel double energy. So yeah, ready for new achievements and ready to enjoy.
I'm loving it. Yeah, I've been working the past 3 days during the heat wave, so this is kind of my first day of freedom. I've just spent the whole day outside. It's amazing. It's like a different country. I love when Ireland remembers it's an island, you know. Everyone's in so much better form. I work in an ice cream shop, and like everyone all weekend was just like smiling, happy. Everyone's much more open to chats, and like, yeah, I really like it. I think everyone else does too.
Busy for you then if you're in an ice cream shop?
Out the door, yeah. Out the door. But yeah, it makes the time go by faster.
God, what a blessing. It's just adding so much to the day. I feel like there's a real buzz in the air. You know?
Yeah, we've just been commenting all day how much happiness there is today, and the weather has so much to do with it as well.
I think that it's really lit up, you know?
Yeah.
It's really bright. It's a shining pillar of enlightenment in the country. It's gorgeous.
Well, we're having a very hot spell at the moment. We seem to be experiencing the warmest May temperatures we've ever had. Yesterday, the record was set at 28.6 at Shannon Airport. It appears that we might even break that today, or at least come very, very close. And it looks like it'll be continuing until around the weekend. These extreme weather events that we're experiencing are becoming massively more likely due to climate change. We've seen papers recently estimate sort of tens of thousands of deaths, excess deaths associated with extreme heat events. They cause all kinds of problems to do with stroke and to do with other problems in the general populace. So we need to be careful of those kind of things. We need to get the media to stop constantly presenting these extreme heat events as a positive thing by showing images of people at the beach and having fun. These are serious events, and having more of these is not good for us. It's not what we're meant to have in terms of our climate. It's not what we're built for, and that's a real worry for me. The more we experience these kind of crazy weather events and the more they're reported, I do hope that people will wake up to seeing that the issues to do with climate change and these increasing weather events, be they storms in the winter or heat events during the summer, are things we really need to act upon. We need to bring our emissions down, we need to follow the lead of the other countries that we're working with to try and implement things like the Paris Climate Agreement, and we need to do that now.